Looking for the best value? Before you buy any crossover cable, you need to see this. In this video, I picked the best crossover cable of 2026 based on performance, quality, features, and overall value. To save you hours of research, I've compared the top options, checked real user reviews, and narrowed them down to the very best picks. You'll find the latest prices and links in the description below. Subscribe for honest reviews. Now, let's get started. First up, we're checking out the Xanum crossover cable. This specialized shielded Cat6 cable is meticulously crafted for seamless direct hardware links between two devices, effectively bypassing the need for an expensive or bulky network switch. It employs a precise T568A to T568B crossover wiring configuration to ensure perfect communication between your hardware components. The clever inclusion of color-coded connectors, vibrant blue for one end and clear for the other, vastly simplifies your initial setup process and prevents common installation errors that plague amateur installers. Manufactured with premium gold-plated contacts and high-grade pure copper conductors, it guarantees high-speed data transfers that meet strict UL safety standards for every user. The injection-molded PVC jackets provide exceptional flexibility and ruggedness for long-term use in both residential and professional network environments, delivering consistently clean and interference-free connectivity for your gaming consoles, workstations, or peer-to-peer office connections. Next, we have the Monoprice crossover cable. This Monoprice Cat6 crossover solution provides an incredibly high bandwidth path for direct computer-to-computer links and system bridging between modern gaming consoles like the Xbox. By using 24 AWG pure bare copper rather than cheaper copper-clad aluminum, it achieves superior conductivity and far more stable connections than many budget-friendly alternatives currently on the market today. It fully complies with critical National Electrical Code fire safety standards and UL Code 444, ensuring your networking setup is both high-performing and safe for professional or residential use. This durable cable is optimized for fast data transfers and small office network configurations where a physical switch isn't necessarily required for daily operation. Delivering professional-grade results every time, it meets the highest industry standards for conductivity and signal integrity, making it a perfect tool for gamers and networking experts who value physical durability and consistent bandwidth across all their devices. At number 3, the StarTech crossover cable. This professional-grade Cisco-style console rollover cable is an absolutely indispensable asset for IT professionals and network administrators who must manage hardware configurations with total precision. It connects your computer terminal directly to specialized servers or Cisco routers, facilitating seamless troubleshooting and equipment management for even the most complex modern systems. Featuring standard RJ45 male-to-male connectors, the cable strictly adheres to the recognized YOS serial device wiring standard to guarantee total compatibility with high-end professional network hardware. The robust but lightweight design ensures that you can carry it in your mobile toolkit without clutter, providing a secure and interference-free signal every single time you plug it in. Whether you are building a professional data center or a dedicated home lab, this rollover cable offers the consistent performance and long-term reliability needed for smooth network maintenance and all complex setup tasks. Our fourth pick is the Gearit crossover cable. The Gearit Outdoor Cat6 Ethernet solution is a heavy-duty masterpiece specifically designed for direct burial, effectively removing the need for messy conduits or specialized underground equipment during your installation. It is built with high-quality oxygen-free copper and features foil-shielded twisted pairs to support blazing speeds of 10 gigabits per second and a high 600 MHz bandwidth for elite networking performance. This robust construction makes it ideal for permanent outdoor installations like backyard offices or temporary event setups that require long-distance stability and high speed. The gold-plated RJ45 connectors are protected by innovative bubble boots, which prevent physical wear and make the detachment process remarkably simple during repeated use at various job sites. Available in various lengths to fit any project size, this cable delivers professional-grade speed and reliability while eliminating tripping hazards, making it a truly trustworthy choice for both home enthusiasts and professional IT technicians working in challenging environments. And for our final pick, the XRD-SRF crossover cable. Engineered specifically to maximize the total potential of your Starlink Gen 3 hardware, this high-performance Cat6 cable ensures your satellite internet remains lightning-fast and entirely stable without signal drops. It utilizes superior 26 AWG pure copper conductors which offer significantly lower resistance compared to cheaper aluminum alternatives, making it the perfect choice for intensive 4K streaming and low-latency cloud gaming sessions. The robust multi-layer shielding includes specialized PET and aluminum foil, encased in an anti-aging PVC jacket that guards against harsh UV rays and extreme weather conditions outdoors. Its flexible design is reinforced at the connectors to permit easy routing through tight passages without sacrificing total durability over time. This cable is also backward compatible with older Cat5 systems, providing high bandwidth performance of up to 10 gigabits per second for users demanding the most reliable long-term outdoor internet infrastructure currently available on the market. And that's a wrap. If this video helped you choose the right product, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews, smart finds, and the latest deals. Have a product you want us to review? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned, because the next video might just be your next best purchase. See you in the next one.